Hey everyone, do you struggle with a simple task like creating a new folder on your computer? Don't worry, I'm here to help. In this video, I'll show you how to create a new folder in just 10 seconds. It's super easy, fast, and perfect for beginners. Before we dive in, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to GOAICT Academy. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might find it useful. Alright, let's get right into it. Just follow these simple steps on my screen. First, right-click anywhere on your desktop. A menu will pop up. Hover your mouse over New and then click on Folder. Boom. There's your new folder. You can rename it whatever you want. See? Simple as that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.